Hi everyone. This video will guide you on unpairing a Bluetooth device on Windows 11. When you pair your Windows 11 PC using Bluetooth with another device, for example, a phone, pairing details get saved on both devices until you remove it manually. Next time, when Bluetooth is enabled on both devices and is within the range, it will automatically start communicating. However, if there is no more job to perform, and you want to unpair or remove a paired Bluetooth device, you can use the built-in Settings app of Windows 11. How to unpair or remove Bluetooth devices on Windows 11? To unpair or remove Bluetooth devices on Windows 11, open the Settings app by pressing Windows +I keys from the keyboard. Then, click the Bluetooth and Devices category from the left side pane of Settings. On the right side, under Bluetooth and Devices, you will see all the paired Bluetooth devices. To remove a Bluetooth device from your computer, simply click on the ellipse on the device you want to remove and then select the Remove Device option from the pop-up menu. Please note, to remove a Bluetooth device from your computer, you need to turn on the Bluetooth first on your computer. Otherwise, you will be unable to remove paired Bluetooth devices from your computer. If you have paired your PC with multiple Bluetooth-enabled devices and you cannot find the specific device, click on the View More Devices button. Now, you should see all the Bluetooth paired devices. To remove a particular Bluetooth device from your Windows 11 machine, simply click on the ellipse, 3 vertical dots, on the device you want to remove and then select the Remove Device option from the pop-up menu. That's it. The selected device will now disappear from the paired Bluetooth list. Goodbye. See you in the next video.